Hello, in this video today we're going to show you the rear emergency brake maintenance mode procedure on a 2016 Mazda 6. You're going to start by hitting your start stop engine button 2 times to the accessory position. You'll know you're in the accessory position because your gauges will all light up. Next, you'll press your foot down on the accelerator pedal and hold it down, and you'll push down on your emergency brake button. The light will flash on the button while you're pressing it down. While you're holding those down, you're going to press your start stop button 3 times fast, which is going to shut off the engine and turn it back to accessory mode. 1, 2, 3. You'll then hear the brakes making noise in the back, and you'll know you're in maintenance mode when you see this light on your dash. Now, to remove the car from this procedure, you'll shut it off, do whatever work you're looking to do, and then to put it back to how it was prior to maintenance mode, you're going to do it in a very similar order. You're going to press your start stop twice. That will put you into maintenance mode. Your light will still be lit. You're going to press the accelerator pedal and hold it down, and you're going to pull up on your parking emergency brake button. You'll see the light flashing there. You're then going to press the button 3 times fast. 1, 2, 3. You'll again hear it in the back working, and you'll continue to hold and press the accelerator and hold the button until you hear no more noise, and your light on the dash is now turned off. You know that you are now out of maintenance mode and ready to drive the vehicle as normal. Thank you for watching. Please make sure to thumbs up and like the video if this content helped you, and subscribe if you'd like to see anything more. Thank you.